Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to backup and migrate WordPress site. So let's just begin. Alright, so this is the website that we have right now. So we'll do backup of this website and we'll also do the migration. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is to go inside the plugin and click on the add new plugin. And here you have to search for WP Vivid. Okay, so as you can see here, we have migration, backup, staging by WP Vivid. So we have to install this plugin. And now we have to click on activate. Alright, so now let's just refresh the page. Alright, so as you can see here, we are inside the dashboard of the WP Vivid backup. Okay, so how can we do the backup? That is really easy. We just have to click on the backup, but let's just understand the options that we have in the backup and restore. Okay, so here the first option that you can see here is the location and also the files that we want to backup of our website. So if you wanted to backup the database and the files with the WordPress files as well, you can select this. But if you only wanted to backup the WordPress files and you don't want to include the database, you simply click on this. But if you want to go just with the database, you simply select this. And similarly, where do we want to store our backup? We have the two options. Either we can save it locally, and the second option is to store them on the remote storage. And if I just go inside the remote storage, you will be able to see we have the different options. So we have the Google Drive, we have the Dropbox, we have the OneDrive, and you can also see the other options here as well. Okay, so now let's just go back into the backup and the restore. And right now you can see this, we don't have any backup of our website. All right, so now if I just click on the backup now, it will start backing up our website. Alright, so now our website is backed up and you can see the backup of our website right now. And if you wanted to download this, you can simply download this as well. And if you just wanted to go back to your backed up version of your website, you can simply click on here. Okay, so for example, if you try to install some plugins or anything into it, but something didn't work properly, so what you can do, you can simply go back to our backup version of our website. So for that, you simply click on restore. Alright. So we also have the option of the schedule. So if I just click on here, you can see this. I can enable the backup schedule for every month, daily for every 12 hours, and for the fortnightly nights and the monthly. And for the custom value, we need to purchase the pro version of the plugin. And after this, we have the type of the files that we wanted to backup and the schedule. So if you want to do that, you need to select this from here. And in the last, we have to select the location where we want to save our backup. Okay, so right now I don't want to go here with any backup schedule. So this is how you can basically do the backup of your website. Okay, and you can see this, it is stored on the local storage. So now we're going to learn about the website migration. So if we do the manual website migration, it will take different steps to complete that. Okay, but with the help of WP Vivid backup plugin, we can do the auto migration. But before that, let me just open up our second website here and let's just visit the site. All right, so now this is our second website or the website that we want to migrate. All right, so what I wanted to do, I wanted to migrate this design or this website on our current website here. Okay, so how are we going to do this? We will simply go inside the dashboard of our first website, that is web tutorials. And here what we need to do, we have to go inside the key, and here in the key, you need to select the expiry time for our key. So let's just go here for the 2 hours. So the key would expire in 2 hours. Okay, so let's click on generate. And now we have to copy this from here, from our first website, the web tutorials. And now what we need to do, we have to go inside the dashboard of our second website, VB. And here we have to go inside the auto migration. Okay, and here what we need to do, we have to paste the key that we have copied earlier, and we have to click on save. And now we have to click on clone and transfer. It's going to take few minutes, depends on the speed of your internet. Alright, so the website has been migrated. So now if I just go to our first website, let's just refresh this. Still, you won't be able to see any change because we have to go back into our web tutorials website. And here we have to go back into the backup and restore and refresh this. Now you'll be able to see received backup. Okay. So this is the one that we have got from our second website VB that we wanted to migrate. So let's just go back here, and here what we need to do, we have to click on restore. Now let's just click on restore, and it will start restoring the files. And after completing this, our website will be successfully migrated. Alright, so the files has been restored completely. So let's click on OK. Now that would refresh our WP admin, and we need to log in again. Alright, so now if I just click on our visit site, you will be able to see our second website here. Alright, you can see the design here. So we have successfully migrated our VB website on our WP tutorials website. Alright, so this is how you can backup and migrate WordPress website. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.